Greetings, YouTubers. Hold on. Sorry about that. We're not that far from the Northeast Philadelphia airport. Although we're not in direction of everything that's supposed to go there. Really, we're not. I mean, so Air Command just wants to be annoying sometimes. So, I mean, I had to pause the video and wait till that went past. All right, now my objective. I want to show you how to hack a Gucci belt, a ratchet Gucci belt that might be a little bit too big for you. Hopefully I don't have any fails. Keep watching and stay tuned. Are we back? We're back. Do you see this? This Gucci belt, right? When you look on this part of it, you can see the ratchet part. But the ratchet part only goes but for so long. That means the belt was made too big. You know, if it doesn't fit you with the ratchet part. So now I'm gonna teach you how to hack it. You take a razor like this, right? See this razor? Or you take a sharp instrument. See this razor? Then you make some cuts. You make some cuts into the leather, like so. You make cuts into the leather till the leather sticks up. This way, when the ratchet clicker moves, it'll be stuck between the leather that's been stabbed into and gutted, and there you have it. Hopefully we can get this going on without the Air Command and interrupt them with their noisy air machines. No offense to them. I mean, they're awesome. But you know, when you're aware that they're taking, you know, routes off course that they don't need to, I mean, why not just go to the Northeast Philadelphia airport? Don't take a curve off course, you know, just to make noise. All right, the belt again. Now let you hear how it sounds when it clicks. When it clicks with the typical ratchet part that it was made with. Now I'm going to slide it to the part that I'm, you know, where I cut the leather. And there we have it. Won't even move. Fit on me. Fit on me. You see? See it? Tight around my waist. Tight around my waist. See, that's how you hack a Gucci belt. You see that? You see that? That's how you hack a Gucci belt that was made too big for you. You have to start stabbing into the leather until it's gutted up, like the ratchet part. And then once the ratchet slides over, then it'll be stuck in the leather. See what I mean? Because you stabbed into it. It'll be stuck in the groove, or the rut. You thought I didn't have a word for that, didn't you? I'm smarter than you think. It's in the groove or in the rut. All right, that you made when you stabbed into the leather. All right. Thank you, YouTubers, for checking me out. Father Yah, out.